Hello there, Carstairs here, and if you follow my channel you may have seen the video where I had to replace both the tail lights on my Volvo V90. Volvo didn't put any thread locker on the bolts on the top of the light, and this allowed them to shake loose and allow water to get into the lights and corrode them. Both mine stopped working, so I had to buy a new pair and install them. I've got a video on how I did that, link in the description below. So in this video I've got one of the lights that was the worst one, which had water in it, and I'm just going to tear it down, see what's inside, see how bad the corrosion is. So let's get started. Difficult to get the entire thing in shot, so you have to bear with me on that. So I think this is glued on there. Okay, so I'm just melting it basically. So I'll switch to a hairdryer, see how that goes. So this is the lamp from the tailgate, and because I glued it back on with silicone, it was incredibly difficult to get off. This one has like water in, and you can see how it's got damaged there. So I did have to smash the lens just to be able to get it out, and you can see looks like there's a bond there that holds the lens on to the body. It doesn't look like it's going to be coming off. More industrial means, I think. Cool. Hey, look at that, it's green. So, yeah, look at that. Look at that. No way of cleaning that off, is there? Not getting inside there. Well, it's taking all the silvering off, just eating it away. That, again, pretty bad, isn't it? It's just going to come out of here. There are some screws there which I suspect hold the inner light in. They are long gone. I sort of think now we're into it. Look at this. Oh my god. So, yeah. Just green with corrosion. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Right, wow. Look at that. So these are, looks like LEDs, which then illuminate upwards through that. Looks like there's a tab there. So it's one of the main boards, and it's just corroded, isn't it? Yeah. Another board over there. And this piece looks like it separates up here. And I've got a tiny little LED, one LED up there, and there's the lens, or the inner lens. Separate chrome piece there. In a frame. And we're down to this green lens here. And that's it. Whole thing apart. So we've got our LEDs there on that board. So I've got my power supply here, and if I take it to 3 volts, let's see if we can inject power into this. Randomly guessing. Woo! Yeah. Just drop it to 1.5. 1.5, no, not in, 1.5. Back to 3. Wow, that is bright. Gonna have to be in it if it's your, assume that's the brake light. Cool. Try this one. So I messed about with these boards and I couldn't get anything to light up. The only one I could get to work was that single small LED board. So nothing doing there. So as I mentioned before, this is the tailgate one. Water ingress, as you can see, damaged there, which means this LED strip, it was intermittent. I thought it might be alright, which is why I went ahead and glued it back in, but I have replaced it. Replacement was about £150, which siliconing this back in meant that I couldn't get it out easily, so I had to smash the lens to get it out. So let's have a look at this one. It's good taking stuff apart when you know you'd have to put it back together. Similar story to the main light. Yep, corrosion. Similar story to the main light. Yep, corrosion down here. Yeah. So we've got just 2 LEDs, one there and one there. Interesting. Really? That's interesting. It looks like the strands in here are black, which suggests water has wicked up the wires. See how brittle they are, corroded. This side's not too bad. Well, zippity-doo-dah out of this, I'm afraid. Right, that reflector is just silvered. The body just silvered, it doesn't come off, so as far as that goes. So I do a bit more messing about with this board, and eventually I do manage to just get one of the LEDs to light up, so that's something, I guess. Well, there you are. That is what is inside a set of Volvo V90 taillights. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and links to buy me a coffee are in the description below. Thanks for watching.